In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a GIF in Behance. As an artist or designer, showcasing your work effectively is crucial, and Behance is a great platform for doing just that. So, let's jump right in and walk you through the process of adding a dynamic GIF to your Behance project. First things first, head over to Behance by opening your web browser and navigating to the Behance website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Adobe ID. Once you're in, look for the Share Your Work button. It usually sits prominently on the main dashboard, waiting to guide you towards your creative submissions. Click on it and you'll be directed to an editor where you can initiate your project. Now, in the editor, you'll want to find and click on the image option. This is where you'll upload your GIF just like you would with any other image file. Simply select your file, and in no time your GIF will upload into your project canvas. It's always exciting to see your dynamic content enlivening the space. Once your GIF is successfully uploaded, hit the Continue button. This action takes you one step closer to making your project live for the world to see. But wait, before you publish, there are a few essential details to address. Start by adding a title to your project. The title is required as it's the first introduction of your work to potential viewers, so make it engaging and representative of your content. Following the title, you'll need to click on Tags. Tags are keywords associated with your project that make it easier for others to find your work. Be thoughtful with your choices to enhance the discoverability of your project. Additionally, you must add at least one category to your project. Remember, there is a limit of 3, so choose the categories that best represent your work. Next, you'll find an option labeled Tools Used. Click on this and list the creative tools or software you employed in creating your GIF. Providing this information can be beneficial for fellow creators who are curious about the techniques behind your work. Now, let's talk about the visibility settings. Here, you'll decide how publicly or privately you want your project to be seen on Behance. Also address the adult content section if applicable, ensuring community guidelines are adhered to. Then, provide a brief description of your project. This is a space to tell your story or explain your work's context, so make it compelling. Lastly, don't forget to add a project cover. This serves as the thumbnail for your project and greatly influences initial impressions, so choose or upload a compelling cover image. With everything in place, you're now ready to click on Publish. Your GIF, along with the rest of your project, is now successfully published on Behance, ready for the world to enjoy and engage with. Congratulations on showcasing your talent in such an interactive way. Keep creating and keep sharing.